Welcome to this instructional tutorial and review of the Bestway Twin Air Mattress. Okay, this is the mattress. This is the box that it came in. And there's some paperwork and the patch that it comes with. Okay, so I'm going to inflate it. It includes a built-in electric pump. This side is up, the black side is down. Now you open this compartment to access the power cord. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in to inflate. Turn the dial clockwise when it faces here. Okay, and the mattress is full. Turn the dial counterclockwise to turn it off. Okay, now I'm going to deflate. The bed can also be deflated when it's unplugged, just by turning it counterclockwise. So there you go, this was an instructional tutorial and review of the Bestway 12-inch air mattress. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.